Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series. Friends, in our last video we have seen how to install Node.js and install Visual Studio Code. In this video we are going to install Angular 8 and then we are going to create an Angular project and then we'll go along. So let's see how to let's see how to install Angular 8. So for that the command is very simple. npm, so you have to type here npm install hyphen g, which stands for global, and we'll just specify the version here and press enter. So it will start installing Angular 8 and then we'll create Angular project. Okay, our project, I have actually creating a tutorial series, so that's why I'll be very specific with the project. But before that, we'll see what is the Angular version it shows here. So I'll say ng version, enter. So here it shows Angular CLI, and as we can realize here, that version is 8.3.29. Okay, and Node.js version is 14.17.0. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to go to my project folder and there I will create Angular project. So let me go there. So this is the location of my project, and here I have created one more folder called client. So I'm going inside client, and if I say dir, it just contains one file called readme.txt. Now what I'll do is I'll create Angular project inside this. So the command for creating Angular project is ng new, and you have to give your project name. So I'm giving project name as Angular app and press enter. So this should create a project for us inside our client folder. Would you like to add Angular routing? I'll say yes, press enter. And here it is asking what type of style sheet you want to use. So I'll say cascading style sheet. I'll go with the default, press enter, and then it will start creating all the packages, and whatever the required packages are there, it will add all those packages into our project. We'll just come back to this and see the folder structure. Until then, I'll just pause this video. Okay, so it has installed Angular. It has created Angular project. So what we'll see, we'll just clear the screen here, and then what we can do is we can just run our application and see what is the output. So ng serve hyphen open and press enter. So the serve command requires to be run in Angular project. Okay, that's correct. So just shift to Angular app, right? And here type ng serve hyphen open, enter. So this will run your Angular app. Uh, and let's see the look and feel of it once it completes. So this is how the look and feel of our application is. So we'll end our section here itself. In our upcoming video, we'll be talking about more into for project structure, and we'll see little bit more about different files in our project, and then we'll go along with next series of step for accomplishing this complete project. Until then, thank you, take care, goodbye, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.